and Happy New Year to everyone. It is late, yes, but lockdown got into us all. So now I decided to be a YouTuber, and I hope and pray that you guys are going to support me for liking, subscribing, commenting, and sharing. I'll be waiting for your subscription. So I'll be showing you how I transformed my jogging. And besides, I have a website where I sell some personalized stuff. So if you pick any interest in anything I do, head straight to my website, which is www.simply.co.uk. So